Are you interested in investing in the automotive industry but unsure where to start? Well, hold on tight as we take you through a thrilling ride of the latest stock market trends in the sector. The year 2022 was a tough one for the auto industry, especially for major players like GM, Ford, Volkswagen, and BYD. Even Tesla Incorporated, the darling of electric vehicles, saw its shares plummet by 65% in the last 12 months. But amidst all the chaos, a new player has emerged, Mullen Automotive Incorporated. This lesser-known company is gearing up to compete with the big boys in the electric vehicle market, and we have an exciting forecast for their stocks in 2023. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into the Mullen Automotive MULN stock forecast for 2023. Mullen Automotive Incorporated had a difficult year in 2022 as its stock prices dropped by about 90%. However, Crowd Wisdom 360's outlook remains neutral, indicating steady progress in the next trading session. Despite multiple developments in expanding Mullen's electric vehicle market, including shipping delivery vans to Randy Marion Automotive and completing a successful pilot program of Class 1 EV cargo and passenger vans with Menzies, Mullen Automotive's stock prices remain lower. Mullen's new solid-state battery technology, which is set to be tested in Q4 2023, could be a potential game-changer for the company. Investors should conduct their own research before investing in any company, including Mullen Automotive Incorporated. It is essential to consider the company's financial performance, growth potential, and competition, among other factors. While the recent events related to Mullen Automotive may provide some insights into the company's operations, investors should evaluate all available information before making any investment decisions. Great news for Mullen Automotive, as the General Services Administration, or GSA, has awarded them a whopping $2.7 billion Federal Fleet Vehicles IDIQ contract to expedite the fulfillment of potential large-scale vehicle fleet orders for the U.S. federal government. Mullen will be collaborating with Rapid Response Defense Systems. It's an excellent opportunity for Mullen to showcase their capabilities in providing top-notch fleet services to the government. While Mullen's stock price has remained relatively stagnant, one of the leading asset management companies, Blackrock, has recently increased its stake in Mullen Automotive. This is a testament to Blackrock's growing confidence in Mullen's future prospects, despite the lack of substantial growth in the company's stock price. In Q3 of 2022, BlackRock raised its holdings of Mullen stock by an impressive 234%, and it continued to increase its stake by 1% in Q4. This significant investment by BlackRock shows that they are optimistic about Mullen Automotive's future and believe that the company has enormous potential for growth. The electric vehicle company's stock would not face a significant challenge in reaching the $1 mark given the growth of the EV market. Mullen Automotive, on the other hand, has a different situation. Despite being in business since 2014, the company has not yet delivered its first EV. Nonetheless, there have been recent developments in Mullen's progress with the arrival of its first EV van in Europe. This development suggests that things are picking up for the electric vehicle company and may lead to an increase in the Mullen stock price, potentially reaching $1 in the near future. Over the last few months, Mullen Automotive has experienced several developments. Aigo, Mullen's first urban commercial delivery vehicle for space-constrained European cities, has arrived in Europe. Mullen delivered its first vehicles to Newgate Motor Group in Ireland. In Q1 2023, the model should generate revenue for the company. RMA, Mullen's first commercial dealer partner, signed the deal. RMA, a top U.S. commercial vehicle dealer, will buy 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans from Mullen for $200 million. As a dealer, RMA may sell Mullen's commercial EVs to its customers, which could boost Mullen's revenue. Mullen Automotive now sells EVs and EV infrastructure. Loop Capital will provide $300 million in financing through its Loop as a service program in a partnership with it. Funds will install Mullen Charging Network Level 2 and 3 DC charging stations. Loop's charging infrastructure expertise will complement Mullen's electric vehicle design and engineering expertise. The 2021 EV infrastructure bill authorizes a $1 trillion expenditure by 2030, and Mullen can provide comprehensive EV charging solutions to businesses, residents, and other brands that want to expand. This 2022 development may help Mullen, which has yet to generate revenue in 2023. Mullen, a $400 million startup, lacks funds for large-scale production. In the past year, the company acquired two bankrupt companies, Bollinger Motors and Electric Last Mile Solutions or ELMS, which provided an Indiana plant for the 5 electric SUVs. Both plants require funding for production. Thanks for watching this far. Don't miss out on the rest of the details, so let's dive right back. Mullen had $61 million in June 2022 after raising $150 million from shareholders to buy ELMS. The company has failed to start production despite CEO David Michery's promises. Michery sold 2.53 million shares when Mullen stock was falling, which does not inspire investor confidence. Mullen is still in its early stages, and the financial assessment will take at least 2 years due to its low revenue and cash. Is Mullen a good stock to buy? Will Mullen go up? Mullen's stock has fluctuated in 2022, falling from $5.23 on January 1st to below $1. Mullen shares are too volatile to buy now. Mullen's 2022 performance shouldn't be used to dismiss it. Mullen Automotive, a Tesla competitor, has seen its share price drop from $400 to $200. All EV companies have seen value declines like Mullen. Mullen's future depends on the EV industry. As petroleum use declines, public spending on EVs is expected to rise. The COVID-19 pandemic and Russia's conflict in Ukraine have disrupted global supply chains, affecting the automotive industry. Mullen also faces the challenge of selling no cars until 2023. Even if Mullen's stock rises, the gains may be small. However, Mullen may rise in value once its EVs are available. It may be a good long-term investment, but short-term traders should be cautious. Thus, Mullen Automotive, a revenue-less company, is struggling financially. The 5, its sole model, has been touring the country for a year, but the company lacks the funds to market it. Financial results are sought in today's unstable economy, but Mullen can only promise. In 2023, RMA and Loop Global could support the company. In business, 1 plus 1 can equal 2 or 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 can sometimes equal 0. Unfortunately, Mullen's future is bleak, and 2023 looks bad for Mullen stock. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Mullen Automotive Mullen stock forecast for 2023. As always, we encourage you to conduct your research before investing in any company, especially in the ever-evolving automotive industry. So, are you ready to take a chance and invest in Mullen Automotive Incorporated? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Fred. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you want to learn more about Mullen Automotive's journey from zero revenue to a new hope, then be sure to check out this video. So click and watch the next video here to know more.